guys, what is up? Today we are doing a introducing our new channel, so we just wanted to make an introduction video, and we're gonna have some FIFA going in the background, and we'll be talking about the channel as it's coming. So the members of the channel are
me. My name is Caroline.
And Rasmus. So
I'm Chelsea fan.
I'm Chelsea fan as well.
So if you're Arsenal fan, then die. Okay, good start.
Good start, yes. So it's Caroline, he's playing right now, and yeah.
He's shit.
Yes. you didn't say that before the video. You didn't want to. Yeah, never mind. Okay.
And your team is shit because he doesn't have McGeady.
He's apparently a really big fan of McGeady.
In this game.
Aiden McGeady, yeah, in this game. He's really bad in real life though.
Yeah, but in this game he's good.
Yeah, I guess.
5-star
I guess.
weak. Was that 5-star weak food?
No 5-star skill moves. But you're not even a skiller, so it doesn't matter.
But he's good. He's very good.
Okay. Anyways, so this channel is a very new channel. We wanted to just start it. We're not expecting very much, but hopefully we get some subscribers and stuff.
It's fun.
Yeah, we just wanted to do it for fun and hope and your guys is enjoying it. So
and we're Danish, so if you're saying
and yeah. What did you say?
Yeah, so if we say something's funny, it's just English.
Yeah. Well, I
so
have
for
actually
example, their subscriber.
Subscriber.
Yeah, what is it?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
God's eye. Alright, anyways. Yeah, so hopefully you guys will enjoy the videos, and we haven't exactly decided how many videos are going to be coming out a week, but we will have, we both play a lot of football, so every day a week we play football, so maybe we don't have that many time. So we will probably be making the videos on the weekends, but then we will be we'll make videos, reserved videos, so you will still see videos on the weekdays. So I would just have to edit the videos in the weekend. So yeah, and so there's not very much else to say.
Buy Tim Howard, he's a skiller.
Beast. Tim Howard. Okay, yeah. There's one more thing to say. We are probably gonna be playing FIFA for the most of our videos. So if you don't like FIFA, maybe this is not the channel for you. But
yeah,
I got Rooney in a pack. Okay, you might think that is very not the best, but it is. 70k. What do you have to say?
You have. I think I will buy a lot of FIFA points, and the best player I got was Schürrle.
Okay, this is the weird thing though. I bought 250 FIFA points because I just wanted to open 2 packs. I opened the first 7.5k pack, and I get Rooney in the first pack. And what was funny was I had packed Oscar in the Ultimate Edition pack that you get when you pre-order the game earlier that day. So I was pretty happy when I got Rooney and Oscar the same day. But else, I got really shit in the other things. So.
Yeah.
Yep. So not very much else.
Vi redigerer den her, gør vi ikke?
Jo, det gør vi jo.
Ja, okay, ja.
Altså lige nu kommer jeg ikke til at putte det her, jeg vil sige.
Nej.
Medmindre han lige havde scoret her, så havde jeg det ikke. Så
okay.
Yeah.
You have such a shitty team.
Me?
Yeah.
No, I have a better team on the other account.
Yeah, but we have to We also have to make some video on my PlayStation 3 because I have the best team ever.
No, you don't. My team is better.
No. We yeah, okay.
Okay, yeah.
We have to make a video when we show our team, and then
Yeah, but
then we can decide.
Yeah, but somehow I don't know how we're gonna be showing your team because
We're gonna make it on football.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Fuck, I understand if I read English.
We might not be that good at English. Well, he might be not.
American for 3 years.
Yeah. 3 years. I've lived in America for 3 years, so yeah, I know a lot of English. Almost, probably fluent English. So. But it's not. No. We need to buy Ramos. In mobile, he's just shit. Yeah. Alright.
Hate this game.
Alright. So, I think we'll wrap it up here. You've not seen that much gameplay in the background, but that's just how it's going to be. So, sorry, and we will make more videos, and they'll come out soon. So,
and hopefully the next video is gonna be better than
yes,
this.
This is a very bad video. So we want to we want to improve our videos as much as we can, obviously. And this one was pretty bad. So hope you guys enjoyed. See ya. Yeah.